So, hello and welcome to today's flight. Today I'm flying from Bucharest to Prague with Tarom on their 737-700. So, let's see how the product is. So, even though the Tarom is the state-owned airline and this is their hub, we are still going with the bus boarding. We are not going by the bridges. Like they really actually have like an old school bus, like really like from the city. Yeah, I'm going to. But wow, this has really got me because this was the bus which took us there. It was built somewhere in 1970s. It's really back in time with Tarom. So it's time to board. And as you can see, we are right next to the terminal, but Tarom doesn't want to pay for the jet bridge. So instead of we going with 50-year-old bus to this plane. Okay, I do have to say it's good that they still have like a proper business class, not that one bulked middle seat, but actually two big seats. So that's good. But I did fly in economy, and I actually had a bulkhead seat, which you usually don't get it on 737 heaven. And but as you can see, the interior is so old. Like legroom was good and everything, but actually the interior felt it was like 90s, early 90s, even though the plane is from 2001. I can say this plane feel much older than actually it is. I don't know how they got this interior, but it feel like really like 90s, even though it's from 2001, so that's kind of strange, but they definitely didn't change anything. What is good, they still keep a little bit of service. I got like water and some sweet thing. It was like okay, and the flight is only like 1 hour 20 minutes, 1 hour 40 minutes, so that was nice. And so one thing I was actually missing to make this really like going back in time was that the crew would announcing that back of the plane is the smoking part. That was actually the only thing missing. Otherwise, I really felt like going back in time from the bus boarding with the bus from the 70s and the interior from like let's say early 1990s. It was definitely an interesting flight.
Doamnelor și domnilor, am aterizat pe aeroportul din Praga, destinația
So thank you for watching, and if you like, hit the like button and please subscribe.
cu centurile de siguranță cuplate până la stingerea semnalului luminos. Legați centurile.